Are you ready for an adventure that could change your life forever? Discover the magic of teaching English in Egypt. Imagine training in the land of the pyramids, the mighty Nile River, and the Valley of Kings. This is not just a course, it's an experience. Our TEFL course in Egypt offers optional weekend tourist programs, so you can explore Egypt's most famous attractions while you train. Cairo, just a short 2-hour journey away, awaits with its museums, markets, and the iconic pyramids of Giza. Your accommodation will be in a relaxing seafront area, with a private room in a shared apartment, fully equipped for your needs. Our course fees are all-inclusive, covering lessons, materials, teaching practice, assessments, certificates, and lifetime job assistance. If you're at least 18 and speak English fluently, you're eligible to apply. The application is brief, and we respond promptly. Course dates are available throughout the year, with flexible payment options to suit your needs. Teaching practice includes live teaching observation and practice sessions with local Egyptian students in real classrooms. Our trainees come from diverse backgrounds, with a mix of native and fluent English speakers from around the world. Join us in Egypt for an unforgettable TEFL experience. Your adventure in teaching starts here.